the best way to wake up. Good Day Dakota on KX News.
It is 5:42, and here's the latest map with the weather alerts here. We've got a blizzard warning for almost the entire state of North Dakota, and this is going to last until 9 a.m. for some counties along the border there with Montana. The rest of us until 6 p.m. Very strong winds really blowing around a lot of that snow, giving us near zero visibility. We've got this winter weather advisory of the counties with the blue, southwest, southeast, part of north central South Dakota, and then off towards the east in Montana. Lots going on here. A wind chill advisory until this afternoon. I think that could get extended as well. So here's the visibility map. We've got very low, near zero visibility across much of the state. We've got snow continuing to fall, and that's giving us some no travel advised across almost 80% is what I'm looking at here across the state. No travel advised. Highway 283. 94, in fact, is closed eastbound and westbound from Dickinson to all the way just east of Valley City. Notice that there are tons of roads here that are just not advised to be traveled on. So in terms of the radar where the snow is now, mostly across central and eastern North Dakota, I do want to caution, though, we have a radar that is out in the northern part of the state. So there are some areas here getting a little bit of snow that it's not showing up. And this is it's not something that you'll see, that you won't get that full radar anywhere you look. So if you look on any kind of weather app right now, go to any other channel, you're going to see what we see here. Everybody is dealing with the same thing, unfortunately. So that's kind of the word that we want to get out there, that there's still some snow falling for north central North Dakota. Here's the Williston sky cam. Of course, not seeing a lot of traffic on the road here. That's good. A lot of roads not advised to be traveled on. A lot of single digit and teen temperatures. So we are dropping today. These are highs for a lot of us. In fact, 12 is probably the warmest temperature we'll be feeling today in Minot, 11 in Bismarck, 5 in Dickinson, and 7 in Williston. And here are the wind chills. We add that strong winds from the northwest, and we're seeing wind chills as low as 15 and even down to 20 below in Dickinson. So it's a cold morning out there. Here's why: wind speeds really whipping around a lot of that snow, giving us that near zero visibility, 30 up to 40 mile an hour sustained wind speed. This is sticking around for today. This isn't going anywhere for quite some time, and we've got wind gusts as high as 50 miles per hour. Any of that kind of crust that you have that goes over that snow that we had from last week, that's all gone. So not only is the new snow that we had yesterday starting to whip around, but it's the old snow, that sort of a foot and a half, and in some cases 2 feet of snowpack that's now blowing around, giving us this very low visibility because of these wind gusts. Again, these are not going anywhere until probably later on this evening. So as we head through the rest of your Tuesday, notice we're going to keep the chance for some snow across much of central North Dakota. It will begin to taper, but not until we see an additional 1 to 3 inches. Again, strong winds taking us into the overnight, lightening a little bit off towards the west there, but still low wind chills tonight as well. Wind chills as low as 15 and 20, down to 25 below for tomorrow morning. So it will be very cold. I do suspect we'll probably see wind chill advisories tomorrow. Keeping a few lingering snow showers for the northeast around the Turtle Mountains into Wednesday as well. That's something to keep in mind. But for the most part, this larger system is exiting as we head into Wednesday as well. Most of us will get the bulk of our snow. Really, we've seen the bulk of the snow. We'll get some snow today, 1 to 3 inches, and then that system again affecting a little bit in the Turtle Mountains as we head into Wednesday. Here are your temperatures today. These are 5 o'clock temperatures, by the way, so these are not going to be necessarily your daytime highs. We like to give you your daytime highs, but pretty much that would be me showing you the current temperature map. So this is what to expect later on today if you have to get to work. When you do get off of work, here's the 7-day. Check out those overnight lows. Very cold, very frigid overnight lows. I suspect we'll be not only talking about wind chill advisories, but potentially wind chill warnings into especially the second half of the work week. Very strong winds to go along with this as well. And, you know, until we get some sort of crust over this snow, we're going to continue seeing a lot of this lower visibility with the snow whipping around.
Winter is sure here.
It
That's
is.
all we can